Hi students, welcome back to my channel Atom Bio 360. So we discussing about reproductive health. In that we discussed in last class about the female condoms. So in this class we will discuss about barrier methods present in the females. So different kinds of barrier methods, that is diaphragms, cervical caps or vaults. So this kind of caps also we can utilize to prevent pregnancy. So we will discuss about different kinds of barriers utilized in the female body, that is diaphragm. So see here, so the diaphragm, it is made by the rubber, otherwise flexible metal. Rubber, otherwise flexible metal. So see here I have written, it is a tubular rubber or flexible metal. So in margins it contains spring. So spring is present in the margins. So margins of the diaphragm contains spring. So because of that it can expand like this. Suppose this is the diaphragm. So the diaphragm it can expand like this, otherwise it can contract like this. Extract, it is relaxed. During the relaxed condition it can expand. During the contraction condition it can relax like this. Contracted like this, otherwise expanded like this. Contracted, expanded. Contracted, expanded. So that kind of nature is present because of the diaphragm, because the margins of the diaphragm having that is springs. Okay, so it is fitted inside the vagina. So the diaphragm is fitted inside the vagina. So and another one is cervical caps. So the cervical caps, you see here, it contains a rubber nipple and it can covers the cervix. So the cervix is covered by the cervical cap and it contains the rubber nipple. So and another kind of the barrier, that is vault cap. So vault cap, it covers the cervix. So see here, it contains a hemispherical structure. So spherical structure means like this kind of structure. So round is there. This is called spherical structure. So but it is not a spherical structure. This is a hemispherical, means partially spherical structure present in the vault cap, and it is made by the either rubber, otherwise plastic. Okay, and it can covers the cervical region. So this is the three types of the barriers. So the barriers is not permanently fitted inside the female body. The barriers also it is removed and reinserted like a condoms. Okay, so this is about barrier methods. So see here, once again I will explain diaphragm. So diaphragm already you studied in biology, that is digestive system also. So the diaphragm present in our body, this area. Okay, so the diaphragm, it can relax and it can contract. So that kind of nature is present in the diaphragm. So and another one is cervical cap. So name itself you can understand, it can covers the cervix. Okay, and another one is vault cap. It also can covers the cervix. Okay, so the vault cap contains a hemispherical structure. Okay, so all the three structures, mostly the questions is not much deep. So I explained about what kind of materials utilized for the preparation of the diaphragms, like that. This kind of questions not asked. Generally in previous NEET examinations also the questions related to the this barrier methods, that is very basic, and in single sentence generally it can prevent the pregnancy in females. And okay, so that thing only given. So one extra point, that is anyone can use, like along with this barrier methods, so anyone use foam or jelly. So that in last previous classes we discussed chemical contraceptive methods. So anyone use this chemicals like foam or jelly today, otherwise NIM 76, that we discussed in the previous classes. So anyone use these chemicals along with the barrier method, it will increases their contraceptive efficiency and failure rate is very less, because the spermicides can kill the sperms, and at the same time the barriers also can prevent the that is pregnancies. Okay, fertilization prevented by the barriers, and also chemicals also can prevent the that entry of the sperms, or they can kill the sperms also. So this is about different barriers utilized in the females. So in next video we will discuss about some other concept. So next video I try to explain about oral pills. So if you have any doubts, share your doubts in the comment box. I will reply. Otherwise, I will make video in the next session. So please like the video, subscribe channel, and share this video to your friends. Thank you very much for watching my channel. All the best.